This is how you operate the convertible on a Chrysler Crossfire. We have the engine running here, so the voltage doesn't drop too low. And just press and hold this switch right here, and if you hear that beep, it means two things. First, there's a divider in the trunk that you need to pull out and engage, and then second, we have this convertible release here that you need to just unlock and pull up, push up. Now we're ready to just open the convertible. You just press and hold that switch. That's it.